Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today I have come to Hargham Church, All Saints Church in Norfolk. This used to be an old medieval village. And this is the All Saints Church, as I just said. But it's in two pieces. So back in the 18th century, I read on the internet, it was either the belfry or the nave collapsed. And they didn't bother rebuilding it, so this is what it looks like. It's detached from the actual church. Apparently it's now looked after by Norfolk Churches Trust, because apparently there is the most amount of church ruins in Norfolk. That's your fact for the day. Made out of flint, I believe, as many places are. Try and get a bit closer inside. So yeah, it's called Hargham, I think. I wonder why they didn't try and rebuild it again. I have no idea. Get back through again. Looks weird because you've got the nice church here and then you've got the ruins as well. Very impressive though. The old door. So yeah, All Saints Church, Hargham, Norfolk. Hope everyone enjoys this short video. I haven't done a video in quite some time, so I was at a race meeting today at Snetterton's and it's just up the road from there, so I decided to come and have a butcher's. So yeah, goodbye everyone and thank you for watching.